Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Golden Platter. So today what we are going to cook is really simple and very delicious, which is the Maggi Omelette. The ingredients required for my recipe are 1 pack of Maggi noodles, some coriander, 1 green chili, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili, salt, garam masala, black pepper and Maggi masala that we already get with the pack. 1 cube of cheese that I've already grated, 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 eggs. In a pan, we'll pour some water, approximately 2 cups. Then we'll put Maggi noodles. Be sure you don't break it. Then we'll wait till it gets 90% cooked and we'll drain the rest of the water. Till our Maggi is being cooked, we'll take the eggs and we'll put all the masalas into it. I've added red chili, salt, garam masala, black pepper and Maggi masala into it. After adding all the masalas, I'll whisk it properly. And then I'll add the remaining ingredients into it. I'll be adding onions, tomatoes, chili, and some coriander. Now I'll whisk it properly and in the end I'll put some cheese into it. And give it a quick whisk again. Now you can see that the eggs are ready and we'll just drain the excess water from the noodles. You guys can see that the noodles have been cooked properly without any breakage and the excess water is still there, so we'll drain the excess water and take out the noodles from it. So now we can see that the eggs and the noodles are ready. Now I'll be putting the noodles into the egg. Now we'll be adding Maggi into the egg mixture and give it a good mix. Now we'll take a tava, put some oil on it and then we'll add the mixture of Maggi and egg. So we'll pour it and spread it properly. So we'll have to spread it in the same way as we do for the omelette. So as you can see that one side is properly cooked. So we'll flip it to the other side and it's done. We'll wait till the other side to get cooked. Now we can see that the omelette has been properly cooked and is ready to eat. So we'll just take it off from the tawa and put it on the plate. So the Maggi omelette is ready and we'll just put some leftover cheese on it. Trust me, it is delicious. So this is the final look of Maggi omelette. I hope you guys enjoy it with your family and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Take care.